Welcome to Speak Buddy. Today, we'll practice a simple daily life English conversation. I'm Alex, and with me is Sam.
Hello, everyone.
Alex, how are you today?
I am fine. How about you?
I'm doing well. What did you do this morning?
I wake up early and go for walk.
You can say, I woke up early and went for a walk.
I woke up early and went for a walk.
What did you do after that?
After that, I take bath and eat breakfast.
Say it like this. I took a bath and had breakfast.
I took a bath and had breakfast.
Good. What did you eat?
I ate bread and tea.
That's correct. You can also say, I had bread and tea. I had bread and tea. Do you work or study?
I am doing job.
You can say, I have a job, or I am working.
I am working.
Where do you work?
I work in a private company. What do you usually do in the evening? In evening, I watch mobile and talk with friends.
Say it like this. In the evening, I use my phone and talk with friends.
In the evening, I use my phone and talk with friends.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I woke up early.
I woke up early.
I had breakfast.
I had breakfast.
I talk with my friends in the evening.
I talk with my friends in the evening. How do you feel today? I am little tired.
You can also say, I feel a little tired.
I feel a little tired.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I will go market and buy some things.
Say it like this. Tomorrow, I will go to the market and buy some things.
Tomorrow, I will go to the market and buy some things.
That was today's daily English conversation practice. Yes, these sentences are very useful. Practice these sentences daily. Practice daily with Speak Buddy. Thank you for watching Speak Buddy. See you in the next video.